In this video, we're gonna be doing this.
Esa manera que mueves tu cadera me hace que me acelera. Esa manera.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so in the last we're gonna be doing with the music again. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And if you want to be TikTok famous, you just need to hit the subscribe button down below, because this channel will really help you to do that. And without further ado, let's quickly bump into the tutorial. Alright, so first thing first, let's understand the hands first. So we need to keep our right, then we need to keep our left, then we need to turn our right and then left. So it's like right, left, turn, turn. Then first our right will swipe our chest, then left will do the same. And if you just want to keep your hand, you can do that too. Alright, let's try that again. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, swipe, swipe. Make sense? One more time, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, keep, swipe. Alright, let's go forward. After swiping, we need to keep our hands on our neck. First right, then left. Alright, let's try so far on the count. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sense? With these hands, let's see what body is doing. We need to take our leg one by one up. With that, we need to bend our hip slightly to the opposite side. Let's understand that and practice it slow. So we take our left leg up, then we'll keep our left down, and then right up and right down, left up, left down. So if we try it in little fast, it's look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sense? Let's combine hand and body together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, swipe, swipe, keep your right, keep your left. Make sense? I'm just taking my leg up. Alright, little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sense? Let's do it once again. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing 7, now we need to shake our body. Let's see how to do it. We need to keep this in mind that we are not shaking our whole body. We just need to take our knees in and out so that our waist will move. Alright, please keep that in mind that we just need to shake our waist. Alright, let's try it one more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3 and 4, then shake 6, 7, 8. Perfect. One more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing shake, we need to do this for. In this, our left hand will be tapping like this, and we need to tap our right down. So together it will look like this. Alright, now with that, let's see what we need to do with body. We just need to keep our full body weight on our left leg, and we need to bend our knees. And if you want to hop on your knees, you can do that too. So it should be looking like this. Make sense? Let's try once again. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Wow, and tap down. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2. Perfect. Please note, when we are tapping our right hand, we just need to tap it 2 times. Don't tap it that much, it will not look good. Alright, one more time. We go 1 and 2. That's it. Make sense? Let's do it from here. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and shake, 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 shake. We go wah and back. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and shake your hips. And we go 1 and perfect. After doing this, let's go forward. So we did wah. First, let's see what hands are doing. So let's take the last position. We need to take our body up. Then we need to hit our right elbow. While hitting the elbow, we need to pretend like we are beating someone. And after beating, we need to make a circle by opening the hand. And then on the left side, we need to do the same thing. Make sense? So it's hit and roll, hit and roll. Alright, now with that, let's see what body is doing. So when we are hitting with our right hand, we need to tap our left forward, and we need to keep it back immediately when the hand is taking round. Then we need to tap our right forward, and we need to keep it back. Let's do only the legs. We go tap and take it back, then we go tap and take it back. Make sense? Now let's try with the hands. We go hit and take it back and hand round, hit and take it back and hand round. Make sense? Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and hit and back, then hit and back. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go hit, then we go hit and back, hit and back. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go wah, then hit and back to the place, hit and back to the place. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing this, we need to drum with our hands. So first we need to drum it 3 times. We need to beat right, left, right. Then our right hand will go up, and over there we need to beat it 2 times. Let's try that on the count. So we go beat, 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 hand goes up, beat, beat. With that your left will also come up. So it's like beat and beat, then you go beat, beat. Alright, one more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, left, 2, then we go 3 and 4. So this will be your position if I show you from side. Alright, now after beating it 2 times, again we need to beat the drum 2 times. So total we need to beat it 6 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's see what body is doing now. With that, you just need to do this way, like what we have done in the starting, the same way. So it's like 1 and 2, then 3, 4. After 3, 4, we need to start doing this. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, while beating the drum forward, we don't have any body movement. Alright, let's try that on the count. We go 5, 6, 7. Slow, we go beat, beat, beat. Hand go up, beat, beat, beat. Alright, one more time. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Let's do it from here. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we go wah and stand. We go 1 and back, 2 and back, 3, 4 and 5. Then we go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Perfect. Little more fast. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go last position, hit, 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 hit. Then we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Let's go forward. Let's see what hands are doing first. So we need to drag our hands. After dragging, we need to say what with our hands. So it's 1 and 2. Alright. And while doing this way, we need to do this the same way which we have done before. Let's try from the drum step till here. So we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Make sense? Once again we go 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Make sense? Let's try once again. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, go little fast. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7. Perfect. Let's go forward. After doing 6, 7, we need to keep our left hand up, or if you want to keep it here, it's up to you. Then we need to close our legs, and the hand will swing like this and legs will swing like this. We just need to take our knees out and in, out and in. In this, I'm just standing on my toe and I'm doing it so that my knees are going side by side. Alright, so it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, if I come forward, it will look like this. Let's see how to come forward. So I'll show you from this side. I'm just keeping my legs forward and forward, and I'm moving my knees side by side like this. Making sense? So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Little fast we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. One more time we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Perfect. That's it guys, you got the routine. Let's do it from the top. Slow, medium tempo. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and shake your waist like anything, and we go 1 and 2, round 3, round 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Perfect. Once again we go 5, 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Little more fast we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. Perfect. One more time we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. Perfect. Let's try with the music.
Como un palacio, dame